So I had this problem in the past and I couldn't solve it, and it took me a while to figure things out. So one time I was like playing music, and for some reason everything was playing on shuffle, and it was kind of annoying because sometimes when I read I like to listen some music, but I don't want like listen to lyrics, just instruments. And for some reason my playlist was just playing on shuffle, and I couldn't find the other options, which are repeat the whole album, repeat one song, and normal, like put everything back to normal. I didn't know how to cancel shuffle, so I was trying to fix that problem and I couldn't find it, and I only had shuffle, the shuffle option. And when I was playing my songs, everything was shuffle, and I was like in this screen right now, in this one too, and I couldn't find the shuffle button and the repeat button. So what I found out is that if you tap and hold, you see this little control right here, but when you're not holding, it doesn't show. So you don't know that you can actually scroll down. There's more stuff down on the screen if you tap and hold and scroll down. Then that was the solution to my problem. And here you have shuffle. You can tap it again and you cancel it, and you have repeat one album, repeat one if you tap once again. And if you have them in this like light gray color, your playlist is just gonna play in normal. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.